Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix TikTok profile picture not updating. If your TikTok profile picture isn't updating, it's usually due to temporary app glitch or cache issue or restrictions on how often you can change your photo. So first thing, you want to go to your TikTok onto your device. There, simply want to go ahead and tap on the profile at the very bottom, tap the menu bar and go to settings. As you've done this, you want to make sure to go ahead and select privacy and settings, or just scroll down and go to free up space. So simply want to make sure to clear cache, just like that, clear cache. You could also go to manage your draft as well. And this should definitely help you out. Next, you also want to make sure to verify the image format. Ensure your image is in JPG or PNG and under 10 MB. TikTok does not support iPhone specific format like HEIC or animated GIF for profile picture as well. And make sure to switch your Wi-Fi to mobile data as well, and that should also definitely help you out. So this way you're supposed to fix your TikTok profile picture not uploading. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.